Today we will know about Ganges. Ganges is a great river located in the northern India subcontinent. The Ganga is one of the most sacred rivers to Hindu people. The Ganges River originates in the Himalaya mountains at Gomukha, the terminus of the Gangotri glacier. When the ice of this glacier melts, it forms the clear waters of the Bhagirathi river. As the Bhagirathi river flows down the Himalayas, it joins the Alakananda river, officially forming the Ganges river. The melting water from the Himalayas, as well as water from tributaries and rainfall, all feed the sacred river. The Ganges flows south and east from the Himalayas, forming a canon as it leaves the mountain. It winds its way through northern India, eventually emptying into Bay of Bengal. It is the world's third largest river by discharge. In Hinduism, the Ganges river is the most sacred river and is worshipped as the goddess Ganga. The Ganges river travels through two countries, India and Bangladesh. The Ganges river flows through several states including Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Lord Shiva tempted the river by tripping the Ganges river's many tributaries, called Ramaganga, Gomati, Gangotri, Gandaki, Buri, Gandak, Kausi, Mahanand, Yamuna, Tamasa, Sun and Punpuna. The Ganges river is becoming shallower in some area. Some attribute this water level change to climate change and global warming. Ganga Jala is supposed to destroy the sins and gives salvations and to people's wishes and desires. Another important fact about Ganga Jala is that it does not get spoiled for a very long time. Scientific research has proved that the river Ganga starts from Gomukhananda, flows until it reaches the plains. During its entire journey, it crosses many types of vegetation. That is why it has medicinal qualities in its waters. Scientists have also found that the river Ganga has many living organisms that do not allow its water to get polluted. On the contrary, they destroy the agents that pollute water. This is often called the self-cleaning property of the river. 7. The city of Varanasi is the holiest of cities along the Ganges river, and many Hindus travel there to place ashes of their dead in the river. According to the myth of the Ganges, the goddess Ganga descended from heaven to dwell in the waters of the Ganges river to protect, purify and bring to heaven those who touch it. Devout Hindus visit the river daily to offer flowers and food to Ganga. To purify, devout Hindus drink the water and bathe in the river to cleanse and purify their sins. It was also believed by Hindus that upon death, the waters of the Ganges river are needed to reach the world of the annextors Pitraloka. As a result, Hindus bring their dead to the river for cremation along its banks and afterward. Their ashes are sectored in the river. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.